So my name is Suzi Hancock and I live with Simon Darville, and we have just recently sold our house, Shrubland House with Whatley Lane, specifically James, and it's been a great experience. Shrubland House is essentially Georgian fronted, but originally was a medieval hall house. And it's in Orangery, and it's about a 5-minute walk from Ickworth Park, which is lovely. Depending on what you call a bedroom, there are about 8/9 bedrooms, so it's not small. A couple of sitting rooms, master suite with ensuite and a guest ensuite. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a lovely place to live, and we put this orangery on about 5 years ago, so that made a big difference. Opened up the kitchen, lots of light into the back area, which we didn't have before. My favourite part of the house, I would say, is this room that we're in, and the kitchen. I designed all of it, and it was the kitchen of my dreams. So yeah, I would have to say, because of the natural light that we get in this room, I live in here. You know, everything. You know, if I'm drawn to this area, especially, you know, during the day, it's just a delight. It really is, and you can see the garden from here too, which is nice. Selling the house with Whatley Lane was very easy. James introduced the buyer, and I think they only came once, which is crazy really, and then they decided to buy it, so it couldn't have been easier. Whenever we needed to speak to James, he would get back to us straight away, and if there was any problem of any sort, or you know, just the negotiation side of things, went really smoothly. There was a positive feedback and exchange from both sides, so that helped. But James was a great facilitator for that. You know, Whatley Lane are a boutique estate agency, probably for the more expensive houses, and I think you know that. So the service that you get is equitable. It's a 5-star service. And that's what you would expect for a house of this value, and for houses of a certain value. You want somebody who understands old houses and is going to sell them effectively, and that's what he did for us. It was great. I would definitely recommend Whatley Lane. I think the service they provide is second to none, and it was just so easy. And in a stressful situation when you're selling possibly your most valuable asset and something that you care about a lot, it's important to get somebody that you trust and that you rely on and that you know is going to do a good job for you and is going to bat in your corner. We love this house. We've spent a lot of tears, sweat, time and money on it, and we wanted it to go to a good home, and James has organised that for us. It's gone to a great family, and we couldn't be happier. Even though it's bittersweet, we're sad to leave, he's done a great job for us, and we would certainly use him again.